Oyegun Abri back zoning says East, South South, Southwest must slug it out. A former national chairman of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), Chief John Odigie Oyegun, has weighed in on the debates regarding zoning of the party's presidential ticket in 2023, saying there is no dispute regarding the subject as it is universally agreed that the next president must come from the South. His position were re-echoed by a chieftain of the party and former governor of Cross River State, Mr. Clement Abri, who said any attempt to alter the zoning formula in a very diverse country as Nigeria could disastrous consequences. According to Abri, zoning is imperative in a multicultural, multi-religious, and ethnically diverse country such as ours. This sense of belonging through zoning is the only glue that can hold this country together. Any attempt to override it by any section of the country could lead to disastrous consequences. Even the makeup of our political party organs across the political parties in the country clearly defines the inevitability of that phenomenon. Abri stated. Odigie Oyegun, on his part, however, added that the three geopolitical zones in the South have an equal right to aspire for the presidential ticket of the APC, saying the presidency is never awarded but have to be deserved. It is obvious, and I think that is universally agreed, that the next president should come from the South. I think that is agreed. It is not in dispute. So where in the South is the issue? All interested parties will now be putting forward their best art. Presidency is never awarded. It has to be deserved. That is why it is not easy to say where in the South it will come from. You have to deserve it. You have to work for it. And you have to have a good aspirant, said Chief Odigie Oyegun. Thank you for listening to this news. Everyone is agitating. Everyone is lamenting. It's an agreement. It's an agreement. The South, South, and Southeast are the ones to rule and all of that. Have they asked themselves this question? Who makes up the Southeast and South-South? And these people, are they truly ready to rule? It looks as if they are ready to rule, but they are not ready. They are not ready because they have not really met the right people that will give them the support to succeed as the next president of this country. They are still deceiving themselves. Do you understand now? They are still deceiving themselves. You see, before you start bidding for someone, you have to be sure of that person you are bidding for so that you will not be disappointed. Anyone bidding for Igbo presidency is making a very big mistake because he will be disappointed. I used to say it and I'll keep saying it. So far, the Biafrans are not in support of Igbo presidency, it will not come to pass. If these people want to really succeed as Igbo president, they should get themselves reconciled with IPOB, because majority of the Igbos are members of IPOB. So why not disturbing yourself? You think you're going to succeed? No way, Kole Shishe. You cannot be a president when you don't have the support of the majority. Is it the North that are going to vote for you? The North are ready to take the seat again. Forget what they are going through. They are cows. Even if Buhari keep killing them day after day, when the election come again, if Buhari want to come back for the third time, they will still vote for him. But mind you, Buhari is not a fool. Buhari is giving that to the Northerners. You hear me? He's giving it to the Northerners. The Northerners are the ones that will rule again. Do you hear me? So stop fooling yourselves. Odigye Oyegun have said it, but so sorry, sir. These people are not ready to become God presidents. Even if you give them all your maximum support, no way. Oh yeah, that's it. So, my dear viewers, please deem it fit to air your own side of the comments. Okay, click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to to get updated each time we upload any new videos. And please be sincere, be frank. See, there is one thing about your comment, the comment that you leave behind for us in the comment section. You may be looking at it to be that please let me just talk. No, he's doing something. He's doing something, because when people go through your comments, they too will comment based on what you commented. When the other person comments, the other person will comment based on what the other person has commented. Just like that, we'll be achieving something until we end up getting something in return. You understand? So that is the reason for us commenting. All right. So I appreciate you, and I will keep appreciating you. Okay. As for those that have been subscribing, we are grateful. Thank you.